Again, I'm not wearing the best type of shirt, tank top thing for this mic, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it the whole time. I'm doing this video about some of the accessories for the URSA Cine LF. I think you've seen in my last video that I already had this top plate on. What this top plate is, this is the, I gotta get this right. This is the top plate for the URSA Cine LF from Wooden Camera. Now, MID49 had a top plate as well. I think they're the only two companies right now that are making top plates for this camera. So the MID49, this is not the MID49, this is the Wooden Camera top plate. I got this one instead of the MID49 top plate because it's a little bit more contoured. You see how on the sides here, it kind of follows the slope and the shape of the camera. The MID49 one came out a lot straighter. It was just kind of like a flat plate, straight across, straight edges. That was really my main decision for buying this one. Was, yeah, it just had a bit more of a shape, a bit more of a contour to it. What else did I get? I got the front rod holders that came with the top plate. I probably didn't necessarily need this because I had the rod holders that came with the handle, but I got this one as well. And I got the little extension section at the back here, which allows me to mount stuff on the sides, closer to where the mic inputs are here. So time code, any of that kind of stuff, I can put it right here. Also really cool. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can tilt it, hang on. See how there's a little cutout here for the antenna? Follows the shape of the camera. Again, very well made from Wooden Camera. Everything is contoured and shaped to the body of the camera. Again, which is why I got this one. The reason I am making this video is because I have, mic check, I have more toys. So I'm gonna go through one by one. I'm probably gonna speed this up a bit and install everything that I got. Hope that it fits. You're gonna discover that with me. And hopefully it'll improve the ergonomics and how I hold and run this camera. All right, so let's do it. First things first, what did I get? First, I have two of these rosette mounts from 8Cine. What's it say? 8Cine ARRI rosette 32mm mounting with ARRI locating pins. So let's open this. What do we get? What do we get? All right. So there it is, the rosette. Made very, very well. I've had products from 8Cine before. They're always very nice. The wooden handles that I have with this camera right now are from 8Cine. Love them. Also, that's cool. You can see there's like different positions to mount the ARRI locating pins on the back, which is pretty cool. I don't know if that's needed though, because ARRI rosettes are universal. There's not really any right way for this. Allen key, hex key, depends what you guys call it. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, so check this out. Doop doop. So it comes with 1/4-20 locating pins and a 3/8 adapter. I really hope this is all in focus. I checked focus before I began. Oh, dropped it. Oh, that's gonna happen a lot. Mic check. So, on my cage here, 3/8, 1/4-20, 1/4-20, locating pins everywhere. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put this in the 3/8. So, putting the adapter back on. Let's line that sucker up, right there. I don't think I've done this the right way, actually. I think, someone can comment if I'm wrong. I don't think I am, but I think I need to put in this guy first. This is my 3/8 to 1/4-20 adapter. Line this sucker up. Doing this the most awkward way possible for the video. There you go. Locating pins, everything is snug. Almost snug. I gotta get tied up. And that's it. That sucker is on there. Okay. Mic check. Oh, I felt that one flip. I got two of these. Method to my madness. I bought 2 of these for a reason. Planned this out. Okay. Same thing. Now this one, I'm not entirely sure if I want to go the 3/8 or if I want to put it further forward. Okay, same thing. Comes from over the top so it don't block the camera. Let's tighten this guy. Put it in. Whoop. Hey. I've got 2 of them. Let's put one there. All right. Oh. Okay. 2 ARRI rosette mounts. What else did I get? Oh, I got, let's do this one because I don't have to. Mic check. I'm gonna have to do it a lot with this top. Really, I think this is hugely, oh, this is, before I jump ahead, this is the KASBAH hand grip extension arm, 2.5 inch from Bright Tangerine. I think I got that right. 65 millimeters, which is 2.5 inches. Who can guess what this one's for? You know, I've been trying to get away with not having to use this. Oh, it's feeling pretty good. I think that might be the spot. Oh, you know what? There's a little bit of play. I'm glad those locating pins are there. Definitely doing its thing. Let me tighten that rosette again a little bit more. Because this one is gonna be somewhat of a load bearing. ARRI rosette, should have worn a baddie shirt. Yes. How do we feel about that? Who thinks I know what that's for? Gonna put a nice handle right here. So when I'm running and gunning with this, which I do, yes, even though it's heavy as shit, I can have a handle, I can hold it right there on the side. And with the rosette, I can position it and I can move it. I know it gets in the way of the screen, but you know. And I feel like that is the perfect length. Perfect. Okay. Starting to take shape. And then the final thing, not 100% sure, Mike, if I need this, but yeah, let's find out. So all these other products came in resealable bags. This one did not. So this product is from MID49. So I'm using a MID49 NATO rail to rosette on the wooden camera cage. This one I'm not 100% sure if I need, but I'm gonna try it out. If I feel like I don't need it, I can always return it. But I'm not doing that very well. Doing it for camera makes it tricky. Everything's on a weird angle. Interesting. My takeaway is it's sticking out a bit too far because the size of this rosette is also quite large. Let's discover this together. So MID49 actually make a special adapter for their own top plate, which allows you to put this back rail on. And it's a lot smaller of a rosette. This rosette mount is super handy. I needed this to come out a certain amount so there's clearance here, which is perfect, absolutely perfect. But this one, I would very much like this NATO rail to come down here, but for it to be more flush. So I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna take the 3/8 that came with the rosette. I don't know if this is gonna work very well. Or it might work actually very well. Let's figure this out. Can I put this arm, mic check. Can I put this arm directly? No, I can't. It's a lot more flush. That's about where I want it. You guys see that there? Like ideally, I would love it to be right there. So, I'm brainstorming a little bit. Handy. So this, I don't know if I necessarily 100% need this. I just like giving myself more mounting options on this side of the camera, but because the screen is here, you're kind of limited for options, right? You can't put that much. I was hoping someone was going to come up with a cage system that kind of went around all this. Hasn't come out yet. The rate at which I'm seeing things being built, like cages and stuff being built for this camera, I don't know if it is going to come out. If anyone's watching this, MID49 or wooden camera, can you build something, you can integrate it with your top plate maybe, that actually comes around this whole section of the camera. So we can just bolt stuff on around here. Okay. So I'm not entirely sold, but I'm not entirely abandoning this idea. Let's try one more thing. Let's try. All right, problem solved. I managed to get the 1/4-20 off the 3/8. Don't recommend doing what I just did. Keep dropping stuff. Oh geez, that was on a mic check. That was like a mic reset. Okay. I want to see. I know it's not gonna work. I know it's not gonna work. But you know, I have the part, so I may as well try and figure it out. Yeah. Also, I mean, it's about as flush as I want it. So I guess my options semi-limited. But I would say this is fantastic. This is definitely what I wanted. Figuring out, let's have a look again. Let's see if I like it a second time. I guess what I would need is mic check. Is more of a flush type ARRI rosette mount that goes right pretty much like that. So let's screw this sucker back on. Doing it the awkward way for camera. Trying to figure out what makes it flop about. Basically any movement at all. Yeah, definitely too far out from the body of the camera. You know, I mean, honestly, I think some people would be fine with this. Aesthetically, it's definitely not my choice, and I need to tighten that up. This one's good. I mean, what do you guys think? It feels like it sticks out a little bit too far. Yeah, a little bit too far, I think. I'm thinking as well, I might use this rosette over here for something, because I operate on this side and I usually wrap around here. I don't know, maybe I'll keep this rosette and then I'll figure out if there is another type of rosette adapter I can get to make this rear arm work. I'll figure it out, but that's probably gonna be for another video. But, oh, you know what I am gonna do, just so we can see it in action. Right on the side of my camera, like this, so you guys can actually see exactly what it is I put this on for. Again, hopefully I'm still in focus. I checked it once, but now it might be out. Yes. Yes, I can already tell that that is perfect. And then I can reposition that and I can move it around and I can move it up and down. Oh, that is the big one. Been needing a handle here for a while. This, I don't know. Don't know if I need it. Could return both of these, but this for sure is needed. But you know what, you see that? You hear that? A little bit of play. And I did do it pretty tight, which tells me that it is this little guy right here. I'm not gonna bore you guys and make me watch me go through this whole process again. So I'm gonna leave the video there for now. I think this is a must-have accessory. Getting a handle to sit here definitely is a bit of a game changer for this camera. People say you can't go run and gun because it's quite heavy. It is heavy, but you can definitely run and gun it. For sure you can. Yeah, I think it's this. I need to tighten up my adapter here, and then this won't wiggle as much. But all right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Oh, some of you are asking about showing footage from this camera when I make these videos. Go to my website at youngmanstudio.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pretty much everything that's on my channel that I've been putting up since I've got this camera is filmed with this camera. Also, I'm gonna put a link down in the description here to my Pond 5 stock footage account. Everything, I think I'm up to about 1,500, 1,600 clips on my Pond 5 stock footage account. Everything on there is filmed using this camera. There might be like 10 shots in there that are using the Cinema 6K, the PYXIS 6K sensor. But everything else is this sensor, so jump in there if you want to see it. And everything else on my channel that's been uploaded recently over the last 6 months has all been from this camera. So there you can see everything. And I'm gonna keep dropping the parts that I'm gonna put on the camera. I'm gonna keep tackling final mic check, reading this out and figuring it out. And I will make another video soon once I've got my setup completely finished. All right, thanks guys. See you next time.